Hello everyone. Today's lesson is learning how to speak Cantonese and write citrus fruits in traditional Chinese. Let's get started. Citrus, cam quat. The first word is cam. Cam. Cam means Mandarin. The second word is quat. Quat. Quat means tangerine, a category of the Mandarin group. Quat. Citrus is called cam quat. Group or category. Loại. 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 Fruits, 水果. First word is 水 means water. 水. Second word is 果. 果 means fruit. Combined together like water fruit called 水果. 水果. Citrus fruits, 柑橘類水果. 柑橘類水果. Limes, 青檸. 青檸. The first word is 青. 青. 青 means green. 青. Lính. Lính. Lính means like lemon. Lính. Green lemon. It's called limes. In Chinese, a green lemon, right? So 青檸. Second word, 檸. 青檸. Limes. 青檸. Orange, 橙. 橙. Orange. 橙. 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 Lemons, 檸檬. 檸檬. First word is 檸. 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 Second word is 檬. 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 Lemon. Lemons, 檸檬. It's a translation from the English word 檸檬, lemon. Kumquat, cam cut. Cam cut. The first word is cam. Cam means golden. Cut. Second word is cut. Cut means orange. Golden orange. Cam cut. Cut. Cam cut. Pomelo, 綠柚. 綠柚. First word is 綠. 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 Second word is 柚. 柚 means large orange. We call 柚. Look 柚 grapefruit 西柚 西柚 first word is 西 西 means Western 西西柚 柚 that means a bigger orange so 西柚 it's a orange from Western 西柚 Clementine 柑桔柑桔 first word is 柑柑柑 means Mandarin 柑桔桔 orange 桔桔柑桔柑桔 Clementine tangerine 骨柚骨柚 first word is 骨骨 means tangerine 骨 second word is 柚柚 means a larger orange 骨柚骨柚 tangerine Thank you for watching. Goodbye.